Hello everyone. In today's session, we are importing a payroll data in a Tally with the help of Excel Tally softwares. So we are having a software here with us. First, open this folder. In this folder, you will get an application file. Open this application file. This application file fetch your company in a company list. From this list, we'll select the company, Excel Tally softwares. After selecting a company, we have to prepare an Excel sheet of a payroll. Payroll Excel sheet are available in payroll folder. Open a payroll folder. In a payroll folder, you will get a Excel sheets according to your requirement. Now we are importing first employee master. Employee we have to create in a Tally. So open employee master template. After opening template, first clear a file, then click on open your file to select your own file in which you have a data. After selecting a file, we need to select a sheet. This employee master list is my sheet which I want to import in a Tally for employee creation. Then I'll give the start row and end row. My data is starting from second line and ending at 15th row. We can verify this. Data is starting from second line and ending at 15th row. And after that, I'll click on start mapping button. As I do this, here I'll get a drop down boxes. Through this drop down boxes, I have to do the mapping. I'll just check the above header. It is name. So approximately I'll select the same header which get matched with my above header. So employee name is matched with that. I'll select employee name there. Likewise, I have to do the mapping for a whole sheet. I'll do the mapping for a whole sheet. Here we have done the mapping and you can check. We have mapped each and every row properly. Now click on import data to get a data from that file to this template. We got the data in an Excel sheet. Now here we have an employee name, their employee number, department, designation and each and every information about employee in an Excel sheet. But this all information will import it to Tally. If you want department of each and every employee, then create a department separately in a Tally under employee group. First you have to enable a payroll in a Tally, then you will get these all options. I have created all the department already, so now I'll just import the data. I'll save the file. Go to the Excel Tally 9.9 utility, open payroll option, click on employee master, select the same file, payroll folder, employee master, click on open, click on yes. Now it will create employee and it has created employee very fast. So we'll check the employees in the chart of accounts and we are imported data in a Tally Prime. Our software support Tally Prime and ERP9. So you can use software on both of versions of Tally. Here we have created 14 employees successfully with their department, designation, employee number, group, everything.